Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're someone who's had their workflow disrupted by pesky Windows updates, then this video is for you. With Windows 10, Microsoft became a bit too pushy with updates, but fear not, as Windows 11 has a feature called Active Hours. This handy tool helps keep your PC from restarting while you're using it, so you can avoid the frustration of having your work interrupted. In this video, we'll show you how to configure Active Hours to avoid those pesky random reboots and keep your workflow going smoothly. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To adjust Active Hours manually on Windows 11, use these steps. Click the Start button, then click on Settings. From here, click on Windows Update, found on the left side of the window. Click on Advanced Options, click the Active Hours setting, and select the Manually option. Specify when the active hours should start to prevent Windows 11 from restarting automatically. Specify when the active hours should end to allow the system to restart automatically if necessary. Once you complete the steps, Windows 11 will not try to restart automatically to apply updates during the time range you specified. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content.